Good morning, everyone. My topic for the presentation is organic reagent in inorganic analysis. Reagent is a chemical compound which is used in the qualitative analysis for the detection and in the quantitative analysis for the estimation of ions. The term organic reagent is used for such organic compounds which extensive use in analytical chemistry for the various purposes. Example in gravimetric methods in calorimetric method. The reagent for the determination of matters should first of all contain proper functional analytic group that enables its interaction with the determined element and subsequent observation of the respective analysis signal. History. In the 17th century, Boyce, who has been considered to the father of the scientific method in analytic chemistry, used various organic reagents in inorganic analysis. On that time, they were mostly vegetable extract. Example, litmus was used as an acid-base indicator. The detections of the iron with thiocyanate, precipitation of calcium with oxalate. The first ever organic reagent was alpha nitroso bitter naphthol, which was used for reagent for the detection of cobalt. The systematic study of reactivity of the organic reagent with inorganic ions was significantly stimulated by the development of the theory of the complex compound, the foundation for which has been laid once in 1891. The discovery of the selective reagent of this distyl dioxime with nickel second led to the successful gravimetric determination of the nickel's properties. Organic reagents are used in the various ways in inorganic analysis. Some of the common properties that are used ways in this way includes the following: formation of a characteristic color of the colored precipitate for locating endpoints, formation of precipitation due to the difference in the solubilities, extraction of organic solvent at controlled pH, masking reagent, difference in volatility, oxidation and reduction to other valence state, advantages of organic precipitating reagent. Advantages: there are some many advantages use organic reagent in organic analysis as following: selectivity. Inorganic bases with organic reagent are specific. For example, cobalt from nickel,